Now please see the next question, sir. Again a very beautiful question. Let us solve these questions in the most easiest way possible. Your question is, in the given figure is given below, PQRS is a square of side 8 centimeter. The given figure says that PQRS is a square and the side of square is 8 centimeter. And we know the property of square saying that all the four sides in a square are same. They are same in length. So if this is 8, PQ will also be 8. QS will also be 8. RS will also be 8. That is point number 1. And we also know another property. Angle at each corner is 90 degrees. Angle R is 90, angle S is 90, angle Q totally is 90. But out of that, in the next statement, it is given that angle PQO is 60. Angle PQO, this triangle, angle Q is 60 degrees. Total angle is 90. This is 60. So this should be remaining 30 degrees. I hope you are understanding. This should be 30. And we also can say that angle P also is 90 totally. And PS, whatever the line which is drawn from P to S, it is the diagonal of a square. The diagonal of a square will bisect this 90 degrees into two equal parts. That means this particular angle is 45 degrees. This angle will be another 45. Total is 45 plus 45, 90. Now, what is the area of triangle POQ? Area of triangle POQ. This is what they are asking you in the question. Now see here. First of all, what is the sum of three angles in a triangle? It is 180 degrees. Angle P is 45. Angle Q is 60. So angles O should be 45 plus 60 is 105. Out of 180, 105 is over. Remaining 75 it should be. So I am interested in finding the area of that triangle itself. This particular triangle which I am shading right now, I have wanted to find the area of the triangle. Now see here, sir. Very easy logic. First of all, what is that they are asking? Area of triangle POQ. This is nothing but, first of all, can I say that I know all the three angles of that triangle? I know all the three angles of that triangle. Similarly, I know one of the side of the triangle. I don't know the other two sides, right? I don't know the other two sides. What I will do is, I know that this particular value, this particular angle is 60 degrees, right? This particular angle is 60 degrees. Opposite to 60, PO's value I don't know. I don't know the value of PO. So opposite to 60 I don't know. So I will take it as sine 60. Sir, opposite to 60, if you don't know the value of the side, why are you taking sine 60? This is what we know the area of triangle by using sine rule. That means it is half into sine of that particular angle multiplied with the other two sides which are not opposite to that angle. That means opposite to 60 is PO. Forget about that side. What are the other two sides? One of the side is PQ. Multiply that PQ. Another side is OQ. Multiply that OQ also. I hope you know this notation, sir. Right? This is also one of the ways of finding the area of the triangle. Now, you might get a doubt. Sir, you took OQ here, right? But do you know the value of OQ, sir? You took it so beautifully saying that as if you know the value of OQ you are taking and writing there. No, I don't know OQ value. I need to find the value of OQ. I hope I am making sense for you. That means area of this triangle, let me call it as A. It is half into PQ value is 8. I don't know OQ value. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 is cancelled with 8 2 times. That means area is 2 root 3 times of OQ. If I know the value of OQ, I will substitute and get the area of the required triangle. But only one unknown thing at this present moment is knowing the value of OQ. I don't know the value of OQ at this moment. I will try to find that value as of now. Sir, how can you find the value of OQ? Can you please educate me? Very simple, sir. Now see here. I am sure that this is where sine rule will be very, very helpful. I will use sine rule in this case. What is this sine rule? First, let us understand what is this sine rule. Now see here, which are the sides which you are aware of in this triangle PQO? You know the side 8. That means PQ. What is the opposite angle of PQ? Opposite angle of PQ is 75 degrees. So that means I will take it as sine 75 degrees divided by opposite side of angle 75 is 8. So sine A divided by A is equal to sine B divided by B is equal to sine C divided by C. That is nothing but our sine rule. Same thing I am doing here also. Which value I require right now? I require OQ. That means OQ is this particular line. What is the opposite angle of OQ? It is 45 degrees. That means I can also write this as sine 45 degrees divided by side opposite to 45 is OQ. Now sine 75 value, I am sure that you should be knowing that value. Sine 75 value is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, which we have studied in our trigonometry class by taking allied angles. Sine 75 can be written as sine 45 plus 30, and sine 45 plus 30 is sine of A plus B. All those things I will not teach you once again in this particular topic, sir. I will believe that you already know it. Now sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by 8 is one thing which I also need to write, or multiply by 1 by 8. This is equal to sine 45 divided by OQ. Sine 45, first of all 1 by OQ I will write it. Sine 45 is nothing but how much? 1 by root 2. If I simplify further, root 2 cancels with root 2. So this becomes finally what it will become, sir? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 16 is equal to 1 by OQ. So OQ value is nothing but 16 divided by root 3 plus 1. But I don't want a surd to be in the denominator, which I also explained why it is like that in my surds and indices class. Rationalize the denominator. Multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1. So OQ will be 16 into root 3 minus 1 divided by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, root 3 minus 1 whole square minus 1 square, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 8. So OQ value finally happens to be 8 times of root 3 minus 1. First of all, why are we finding OQ value? Because that is the only one parameter which was not known to us to find the area of the triangle POQ, which is asked in the question. Substitute back, you will get the answer. Simple, right? Why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? In fact, area of triangle is 2 root 3 into OQ. So it is 2 root 3 into OQ value is 8 times of root 3 minus 1, and simplify 2 into 8 is 16, root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3, root 3 into minus 1 is minus root 3. Your final answer is area of that triangle which is asked in the question is 16 times of 3 minus root 3. I hope the idea is very clear for you. This is nothing but my option D, and please see this question, sir. It is your original SSC CGL 2017 Tier 2 question which happened in the year 2018 on February. I hope I am making sense for you people. Which kind of questions are coming repeatedly in your examination? What is the main thing which you need to focus on? All these things I believe that it is very, very clear for you people. I hope this problem is clear for you, sir. Next question. Again, if you observe this question, this also is your original CGL to Tier 2 2017 question which happened in the year 2018. Let us read the question, understand it statement by statement. Your question is, in the given figure, in triangle STU, ST is equal to 8 centimeter. STU, ST is equal to 8 centimeter. TU is equal to 9 centimeter. ST is equal to 8 centimeter. TU is equal to 9 centimeter. SU is equal to 12 centimeter. So in the triangle, smaller triangle STU, all the three sides are given. Okay, that is one thing. Next, QU is equal to 24 centimeter. From Q to U, it is totally 24. Total from Q to U is 24. From S to U is 12. That means Q to S should be another 12. Then only 12 plus 12 become total 24. SR is equal to 32 centimeter. SR totally from S to R it is 32, but S to T is 8. So T to R should be remaining 24 because 24 plus 8 is only 32. Next, PT is equal to 27 centimeter. PT from P to T, totally it is 27, but from U to T it is 9. So from P to U it should be 18 because 18 plus 9 only, totally PT will become 27. This is what we have till now. Whatever is given in the question, I have just marked it in the diagram so that it will be easier for our understanding in solving our problems. Next, your question is, what is the ratio of triangle PQU? Triangle PQU, this triangle, and the area of triangle. What is the other triangle, sir? 1 minute, let me check it out. Because the diagram is closing off here. Area of triangle PTR, I think. Yes, it should be PTR only. Triangle PQU and triangle PTR. This area ratio is what I require in the question. Now see here, sir. Listen to this carefully. Easily we can solve these questions in the most easiest way possible. Now see here, we have already solved this kind of questions once in our previous problem, where I used a beautiful concept saying that area of triangle is half into AB sin theta, where theta is an angle which is not opposite to the sides A and B. That is one thing. Or in simple language, half into AB sin C. That means if the angle you are taking it as C, then you should not take the side which is opposite to angle C, which is the small letter C. Take the other two sides which are small a and small b. I hope you are understanding. Now in that case, I again used a representation saying that sin alpha or sin theta, whatever it is, sin theta and sin of 180 minus theta, they both are absolutely same. I hope you remember that logic what I used there. That means what I will do is, I will take this angle SUT. I will take this angle SUT as angle theta. If I take SUT as angle theta, then this particular angle, which is that angle? That angle is nothing but QUP will become 180 minus theta, because total sum in a straight line should be 180. So if SUT is theta, let me write it if you don't understand it. Angle SUT if I take as theta, then angle QUP will be 180 minus theta, because sum of a straight line angle should be equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, from here I can say that, I also can say that sin theta will be equal to sin of 180 minus theta. This logic I will make use of again here, right? Similarly, this is one case. I can also take another case. Wherein I will take SUT, I took it as theta. STU I will take it as some other angle alpha. If STU is alpha, then this particular angle from, what is that angle? Angle PT, angle PTR, it will be 180 minus alpha. Why? Because angle in a straight line should be equal to 180 degrees. So this is a straight line SR. Total angle should be 180. So the other one should be 180 minus alpha. Or let me write it for you. If angle STU is equal to alpha, then I can say angle PTR will be 180 minus alpha, because of the fact that SR is a straight line, angle is a straight line, should be 180. I can also say once again as sine alpha will be equal to sine of 180 minus alpha. I am taking all these notation right now itself, so that in my coming explanations or in my coming simplifications, I will make use of all these things to simplify my problem. Now see here. First of all, let me try to make it little easy for you, sir. What all is given for you? SR value is given. It is given as 32 centimeters. ST value is given as 8 centimeters. Okay. Why did I take these two? Let me see later. Similarly, what else is given? PT value is given as 27 centimeter. TU value is given as 9 centimeter. Beautiful. This also is given in the question. TU value is also given as 9. Next, what else is given for you? What else is given? QU value is given as 24 centimeter and SU value is given as 12 centimeter. Now, can I say SR is 32, ST is 8. That means TR will be 24. I already marked in the diagram. I am just writing once again. PT is 27, TU is 9. That means PU will be 18. Similarly, QU is 24, SU is 12. From these two, what I can write? QS will be another 12. I already marked all these things, sir. QS, everything I have marked in the diagram. But I am writing once again for your better understanding here. Right? You need not write in the exam. Why am I writing? To make you understand better. Now, what is the question, sir? Area of triangle PQU. Let me write it. Area of triangle PQU I require. And with which other triangle I require the ratio? Area of triangle PTR. I require the ratio of this with area of triangle PTR. Now, what I will do is, I will be little smart in doing this and saying that area of triangle PQU is what I have in the numerator. Denominator says area of triangle PTR. What I will do here is, everyone please observe carefully, sir. I will divide the numerator with area of triangle SUT. Denominator also I will divide with area of triangle SUT. Sir, first thing, how will you identify that you should divide? Second thing, how will you identify that you should divide by SUT itself? Simple, sir. In the numerator, triangle is which one? PQU. Check it out in the diagram. PQU. Where is U here, sir? Yes, this one. Can I say that PQU, I have taken it as 180 minus alpha. And I also need to make use of this 180 minus theta. I also need to make use of this theta, so that when I divide sine of theta, sine of 180 minus theta, because they are equal, they will get cancelled. This theta is present in which one? SUT only, right? That is the reason I divided that by SUT. I hope I am making sense for you. That is the reason I divided by SUT, so that this entire numerator, sine theta and sine of 180 minus theta will cancel out. Similarly, another triangle is PTR. Check it out if you want. PTR. What is the angle which I have here? 180 minus alpha. Yes, because I have 180 minus alpha, in area I will write it as sine of 180 minus alpha. But if I want to cancel that particular term, because I don't know the value of alpha, I require this alpha also, because sine of 180 minus alpha in the numerator, denominator is sine alpha. Because they both are equal, I can cancel it off. This alpha is present in which triangle? SUT once again. I hope you are understanding why we should divide numerator and divide denominator by some area of some other triangle, and why particularly with SUT itself we need to divide. Both should be very, very clear for you people. Now, it will be even more clear after this particular step. Now, if you observe, area of PQU is half into, first of all, this sine of 180 minus theta, I will write it off here, right? Sine of 180 minus theta, I will write it off here. That means PQU, I wrote this sine of 180 minus theta. Opposite to that is PQ. Forget about that opposite side. Other two sides are QU and UP or PU. So multiply that. It is QU into PU. I hope this particular area is clear. And I am dividing with the SUT. Let me see what is that SUT. SUT is nothing but again it is half into. I will write it off here as sin theta. That is the intention of dividing in fact. If I write it as sin theta, SUT, theta, opposite to theta is ST, forget about it. Other two sides are SU and UT, write it, multiply it. So it is SU into UT. I hope you are understanding, sir. SU into UT or TU, both are same. Same logic here also. Area of triangle PTR. It is 1 by 2 into, I will write it as sine of 180 minus alpha because PTR, triangle PTR has 180 minus alpha. Opposite of 180 minus alpha is PR. Forget about that side PR. Take the other two sides. Other two sides are PT and TR. Multiply it. So it is PT times of TR divided by sine area of triangle SUT. It is half into, I will write it as sine alpha. I will write it off. I will write it as sine alpha. And SUT, right? SUT. Opposite to alpha, it is SU. Forget about that SU side. Other two sides are ST and TU. Multiply. I hope you are understanding, sir, how to find the area. So it is ST into TU. Now if you observe, this is exactly what we have done according to our requirement. Half by half cancels, half by half cancels. Sine of 180 minus theta cancels with sine theta, sine of 180 minus alpha cancels with sine alpha. If you observe all these other values, every value is given in the question. Just substitute and simplify. QU, PU. QU value is 24, PU value is 18. Divided by SU, TU. SU is 12, TU is 9. Whole thing divided by, so let me write this equal here. Whole thing divided by PTTR. PT value is also given in the question as 27, TR is 24. I am just not looking in the previous page and writing, sir. I have just written all those values also in a sheet of paper so that I need not keep on going to the previous slide and waste my time while teaching. So ST and TU. ST value is given in the question as 8. TU is given as 9. Every value is known. Just simplify and you will get the final answer as 4:9. That is the beauty of understanding the logic. Sir, you took so much of time in solving? Definitely no. I took so much of time in explaining. I did not take so much of time in solving. I hope I am making sense for you people. It is not that I took so much of time in solving. I took so much of time in explaining you people. Check it out, sir, if you want to. Check it out. So, what all the values? 9 and 9 will get cancelled. So this is nothing but 6 into 2. This is 6 into 3. And it is 2 into 1, 2 into 12. So in the numerator, entire numerator, only 12 is remaining. Divided by 8 into 3 is 24. Right? Okay. This 3 is also remaining. Right? So this 3 is there. And in the denominator, you have 27 into 3. 3 will cancel with 3. So this is 3 into 4. This is 3 into 9. Final answer is 4:9, which is not given in the answer options because probably some typing mistake. Kindly forgive us for making that mistake. Answer actually for this question is 4:9, which I just now wrote it as option E. I believe it is clear, sir. First thing is you don't need to write all these things. You don't need to write all these things again in the exam. Again, you don't need to write all these values in the examination, which I have wrote it because I wrote it for your understanding. I wrote all these values in diagram itself. You also need to write all those things in diagrams and very fastly you should solve these questions. I wrote everything on the screen only for our understanding purpose. That does not mean that you should also write all these things. In fact, whatever I have written in my first screen, Everything you should ignore it in the examination. With practice only that will come. Only thing you should do it in the first screen is writing every value in the diagram itself, and then you should understand this skill set of dividing by triangle SUT area. Why did we divide also? I told you, because sine of 180 minus theta and sine theta both are same, I can cancel it. Similarly, sine of 180 minus alpha and sine alpha both are same, I can cancel it. Rest all values I will be having, which is given in the question. Just to simplify, you will get the answer finally as 4:9. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people. Now, before moving on to our next set of problems, I already explained this key point for you people. I would like to revisit that key point once again for you to understand our next few problems easily. Now, this is triangle ABC. Opposite to angle A, I will call the side as small letter A. Opposite to angle B, I will call the side as small letter B. Opposite to angle C, I will call the side as small letter C. If you observe carefully, angle A, angle B, angle C, all the three angles are different because I use different notations to mark it. Side A, side B, side C, all the three sides are also different. So this is a scale-in triangle. I hope you are understanding. This is a scale-in triangle. How to find the area of a scale-in triangle? One of the ways of finding the area of a scale-in triangle. 1 minute, sir. Let me cut it. Whoever is editing this video also can kindly cut this part. Do not take this. I will do this once again. My father interrupted in between. That's okay. He was not aware that I was taking the class. Anyway. Now, before moving on to next set of problems, now listen to this carefully, sir. I have already explained this key point for you. I would like to revisit that key point once again for our better understanding for the next few problems. Suppose I am taking this triangle ABC. Now, opposite to angle A, I will call it as small letter A at the side. Opposite to angle B, let the side be small letter B. Opposite to angle C, let that side be small letter C. All the three angles A, B, C are different. I represented with different notations. All the three sides small a, small b, small c are also different. Such type of triangle, as we have already discussed, is known as scale-in triangle. How to find the area of that scale-in triangle? Area of that scale-in triangle can be represented as half into base into height, right? Half into base into height. This is one of the way of finding the area by dropping the perpendicular height and multiplying that with base and half. That is one of the way. Another way of finding the area of triangle when it is a scale-in triangle, general way, beautifully what we know is area of triangle ABC. If all the three sides are given, and if we can find the perimeter of that triangle also, it is square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c times of s, where this s is known as semi perimeter. Perimeter totally of this triangle is a plus b plus c. If I divide that perimeter by 2, then it becomes a semi-perimeter. That means we already know this. This is known as Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula, we can find the area of a scale-in triangle. Sir, using Heron's formula, can I also find the area of an equilateral triangle? Yes. Make A, B and C all the values to be same. It becomes an equilateral triangle. Find it. Can I find the area of an isosceles triangle? Definitely yes. Make two sides same and the other side C to be different. Whatever value is given in the question, substitute and simplify. Simple. Sir, can I use it for scaling? Yes. Scale-in is all the three sides different, but usually we are using it for scale-in here. Let us solve some questions to find the area of triangle using this Heron's formula. That is my next heading. Area of a triangle using Heron's formula, and we already know what is that Heron's formula. Now see here, sir. Let us start with some basic questions. Slowly we will take some good number of questions which are asked in exam. If you observe, most of the problems whatever I am taking in mensuration two-dimensional topic, most of them are examination questions, whether they are an examination questions which was recently asked or which was asked long back or whatever it is, but ultimately they are the questions which had come in the examinations. We are concentrating mainly on such kind of questions in our class. Now see here, your question is, first questions using Heron's formula kind of methodology is, what is the area of the triangle whose sides are 9, 10 and 11 centimeters? Three sides are given. This also is an original examination question. 9, 10 and 11 are the three sides. Heron's formula, I can use it because all the three sides are different. First of all, semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. So it is 9 plus 10 plus 11 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. So area A is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. It is square root of S value is 15. It is 15 minus 9. First problem I am writing all these things. From the second problem I will directly write 15 minus 9 value. Instead of writing there as 15 minus 9, I will directly write it as 6. It is 15 minus C value is 11. So further simplified, this is square root of 15 into 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 10 is 5, 15 minus 11 is 4. Further you can also simplify this as, this is square root of 15 into 6 into 5 is 30, right? 6 into 5 is 30. Square root of 4 is taken outside as 2. I hope you are understanding. Next, 15 into 30. Can I say this as, again can I simplify it as, 15 is nothing but 3 into 5 and 30 is nothing but 2 into 15. 2 into 15, where that 15 can also be written as 3 into 5, right? So 2 into 3 into 5 is nothing but 30. Now in simple language I can say this as 3 into 5 is 15. This 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 15 is 15 square under the square root. So it is 15. That 15 outside when it is taken. So it is 2 into 15. 30. Under the square root you have only one extra term, root 2. Answer is 30 root 2 centimeter square. Very easy question, sir. Just substituting you will get the answer without any difficulty. I hope the idea is clear. Please see my second question. Again this is your SSC question 2014 first sitting. Let us see what is that question. Solve it in the most easiest way possible. Perimeter of a triangle is 54 centimeter. Perimeter is given as 54 centimeter and its sides are in the ratio 5:6:7. According to the ratio, perimeter is 5 plus 6 7, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. According to ratio, perimeter is 18. According to question, perimeter is 54. 18 into 3 is 54. 5 into 3 is 15. 6 into 3 is 18. 7 into 3 is 21. Now find the area of the triangle. That means the three sides are 15, 18 and 21. These are ABC values. Perimeter is 54. So semi-perimeter will be half of 54, which is 27. So area of the triangle is square root of S into 27 into S minus A. 27 minus 15, it is 12. S minus B, 27 minus 18, it is 9. S minus C, 27 minus 21, it is 6. Further simplify it, you will get the answer. 27 is 3 into 9. 12 is 3 into 4. 9 is 9 itself because 9 is a perfect square anyway. So 6 is 3 into 2. If I further simplify it, 3 into 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3, taken outside. Square root of 9 is again 3, taken outside. Square root of 4 is 2, taken outside. Square root of 9 is 3, taken outside. Inside the square root you are left with 3 into 2. That is nothing but 6. Square root of 6 cannot be, it is not a perfect square, so let me keep it as it is. Final answer is 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 3, 54. Answer for this question is 54 root 6 meter square, which is nothing but option B. I hope you are understanding the logic, sir. Please see the next question. Again, it's an original examination question in 2012. What is the area of triangle having perimeter 32 centimeter? Perimeter is given as 32 centimeter. One side 11 centimeter. One of the side is given as 11 centimeter. And the difference of the other two sides is 5 centimeter. Suppose if this one side which is given is A, the difference of other two, B and C difference is 5 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle which is having this kind of conditions is the question. Now see here, total sum of three sides is 32. Out of this total 32, one of the side is 11. That means the sum of the other two sides is, out of 32, take out that side which is given 11. Other two sides sum you will get. So 32 minus 11 is 21. If I simplify this, this is 2b is equal to 26. So b will be equal to 13. If the second side is 13, b minus something should give you 5. 13 minus which number is 5? 13 minus 8 is only 5. Or 13 plus which number is 21? 13 plus 8 is 21. That means I know A value, I know B value, I also know C value. All the three sides are known. Total perimeter is known. So some semi-perimeter is half of 32, which is 16. Area of triangle can be easily found out as square root of S into 16 into S minus A, 16 minus 11, S minus B, 16 minus 13, S minus C, 16 minus 8, which is 8. So this can be further written as, so square root of 16 is nothing but 4 taken outside. So this is under the root. 5 into 3, 15. This 8 can be written as 4 into 2 once again. That means square root of 4 is 2 taken outside. That 2 is multiplied with 4. So 4 into 2 is 8. Under the root of 15 into 2, 30. Answer for this question is 8 root 30 centimeter square, which is option A. In this question, directly it is not given. They are not directly giving you the values of A, B, C and semi-perimeter. Indirectly, they are saying one of the side is 11 and the other two difference is 5. Sum is, total sum is perimeter is 32. One of is 11 means sum of the other two should be 21. From there you will get the other two sides. You know all the three sides right now. You know the semi-perimeter. Just apply Heron's formula. Where is the difficulty, sir? Please remember, these all questions looks very easy for you when you start learning the beautiful concepts. And if it is very easy for you, already if it is very easy for you, you are moving in the right direction. Why do you want to worry? Simply just learn all these beautiful shortcuts and make it even more easier. I hope the idea is clear. I am not taking some questions which will make you, please hear, I am taking the questions which had come in the examination itself. That is the reason each and every question I am giving you which examination question, which year it was asked. Every detail is provided, sir. See this question. Again, it's a original examination. SSC CGL Tier 1 2013 second sitting. Original question we are discussing once again. What is that question? Three circles of radius ABC touch each other externally. Okay, first of all, let me write the three circles. This is my first circle. This is my, okay, diagram is not drawn to the scale. Just give me a minute, sir. Let me draw the circle once again. Second circle. This is my second circle and this is my third circle. Again, diagram is not drawn to the scale. Assume that they are touching externally. Okay. I hope this should be okay for you. Now see here. These are the three circles. Radius ABC are known to us. That means if I take the first circle, this is the center. I will call the center as A. This will be the radius A. First circle radius is A. This is also the radius of the first circle. Let me use a different color right now. Can I say that this is my second circle? I will call the center as capital B. The second circle radius is the small letter b. This also is the radius of the second circle, small letter b. Let me use another color right now for our better understanding. This is my third circle. I will call the center of third circle as capital C. The radius of third circle is the small letter c, and this also will be the radius small letter c. Now, there is a triangle which is formed. That triangle is nothing but triangle ABC. Find the area of the triangle, sir. Where is the difficulty? They are asking you to find the area of this triangle. Very easy. That means, can I say, first side is AB. That AB is nothing but small a plus small b. I hope you are understanding. AB value is small a plus small b. Second side is BC. BC value is small b plus small c. I hope you are understanding. BC is small b plus small c. Third value is CA. CA is nothing but small c plus small a. CA is nothing but small c plus small a. These are the three sides of this triangle. Now, these are the sides. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but a plus a, b plus b, c plus c. It is 2 into a plus b plus c. But we are not interested in perimeter, we are interested in semi-perimeter. It is half of 2 into a plus b plus c. This will be a plus b plus c. Sir, what all you require to find the area of a triangle? Using Heron's formula, I require the semi-perimeter. Yes, I know it. I require 3 sides values. I know them also. What are you waiting for then? Just substitute and simplify. Area is square root of s into, that means a plus b plus c into s minus ab, right? It is s minus ab, s minus capital AB into s minus BC is the second side, s minus CA is the third side. If I further simplify, this A is nothing but area, sir. Don't get confused with this center A. So this is square root of a plus b plus c into s minus ab. S is nothing but a plus b plus c minus of a plus b. A plus b, a plus minus a plus b cancels. You are left only with c. Similarly, s minus bc. A plus b plus c minus of b plus c. So you are left only with a. Similarly, s minus ac will give you only with b. That means your final answer for this area of triangle is square root of ABC times of a plus b plus c, which is nothing but option A. I hope the idea is clear. Because A, B and C values are not given, answer also will be in terms of A, B, C itself. I hope the idea is clear, sir. I am not joking. All these are examination questions. If you can understand and solve it, I am damn sure that the upcoming problems in your examinations, in your SSC or any other examinations where mensuration is there, you can easily solve it. Shall we solve another question of similar type, sir? Definitely yes. In the fourth question, values of ABC were not given. Let me take fifth question, which is exactly similar to fourth question, where the values of ABC are given. That means 3 circles of radii 4, 6 and 8 centimeter touch each other pairwise externally. That means A value is 4, B value is 6, C value is 8. I hope I am making sense for you, right? A value is 4, B value is 6, C value is 8. Okay, let me write the diagram itself so for your better understanding, so that you will not get confused. One more time, let us write the diagram, sir. Understanding is understanding better is important for me. Now see here, these are the three circles. First triangle or first circle is having a radius of how much? First circle is having a radius of 4 centimeter, right? It is having a radius of 4 centimeter. That means this radius is 4 centimeter. This radius is also 4 centimeter. Let me call the center as A. Second circle is having radius of 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This also is 6. Let the center be B. Third is radius is 8 centimeter. If the center of the third circle is capital C, this will be the radius 8 centimeter. This also will be the radius 8 centimeter. There is a triangle which is formed. What is the area of the triangle? Now, one of the side, small letter A is nothing but AB. 6 plus 4 is 10. Another side, small letter B is nothing but BC. 6 plus 8 is 14. Another side, small letter C is nothing but equal to CA. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now, semi-perimeter is 10 plus 14 is 24 plus 12 is 36. Half of 36 is 18. I know all the values. What are you waiting for? Substitute. So, area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula is S into 18 into S minus A. 18 minus 10 is 8 into S minus B. 18 minus 14 is 4 into S minus C. 18 minus 12 is 6. If I simplify further, I can say it as 18 is nothing but 2 times of 9. 8 is nothing but 2 times of 4. Let me keep this 4 as it is. 6 is nothing but 2 times of 3. Take the square root of perfect square, sir. Can I say that 4 into 4 is 4 square. Square root of 4 square is 4. Taken outside. Square root of 9 is 3. Taken outside. These 3 terms are over right now. 2 into 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Taken outside. These 2 terms are also over. You are left with 2 into 3 under the square root. Final answer is 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24. Answer is 24 root 6 square centimeters, which is nothing but option D. I don't think it is difficult to solve this kind of questions for you people. Now see this question. A beautiful question which is talking about parallelogram. Let us understand it and then solve it in the most easiest way possible again. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. See here. Listen carefully. A parallelogram has sides 60 meters and 40 meters. That means there are the two sides of let me draw the parallelogram first. Let us understand step by step. I will name this parallelogram as ABCD. Now, if I name this, one of the side is given as 60 meters, another side is given as 40 meters. And we know the property of parallelogram which says that opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are also equal. If this is 60, this will also be 60. If this is 40, BC also will be 40. I hope that is clear. Second statement says one of its diagonal is 80 meter long. One of its diagonal is 80 meter long. This is given as 80 meter. Find the area of parallelogram ABCD. The question. Find the area of parallelogram ABCD. Now see here. First of all, opposite sides are equal. I named it already as 60 and 40 for the other two sides also. Now, you take any triangle, sir. First thing which you need to also know is in a parallelogram, the diagonals divide or the diagonal bisect the entire parallelogram into two equal triangles. That means triangle ADC area and triangle ABC area both are absolutely the same. That means the total, if I want, find out the area of one of the triangle, add it with the other one or multiply it by 2. Simple logic. Now, if I take this as A, if I take this as A, if I take 40 as B, if I take 80 as C, and semi perimeter is 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 80 is 180, 180 by 2 is 90. I know all the values right now. So find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC from Heron's formula is square root of S into 90 into S minus A. 90 into 30, 90 minus 60 is 30, 90 minus 40 is 50, and 90 minus 80 is, which is how much? It is 10, right? Further simplified. If I simplify area of triangle, you will finally end up getting it as 300 root 15. This is the area of this shaded portion. But whatever area you have for this shaded portion, it is absolutely the same thing. What I have this for this shaded red color portion also, because the diagonal in a parallelogram will bisect the parallelogram into two equal areas. So total area of parallelogram is 300 root 15 plus another 300 root 15. Final answer is 600 root 15 square meters. Answer for this question is option A. Once again, your original SSC 2014 Tier 1 question. I hope I am making sense for you people. Let me take another question of parallelogram, sir. Let me teach you another question. This also is original SSC Tier 2 question, which is in 2015. So you cannot ignore this kind of question. They are repeatedly being asked. Now see here, the area of parallelogram whose length is 30, width is 20, one diagonal is 40 is how much? Same question, no change in the question. If I name this parallelogram as ABCD, one of the side is given as 30, another side is given as 20, diagonal is given as 40. So this side if I call it as small c, this side if I call it as small b, this 20 if I call it as A, semi perimeter is 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 30, 90, half of 90 is 45. I will find the area of triangle ABC and I will multiply it by 2 to get the entire area of parallelogram, because we know the property of parallelogram. Diagonals in a parallelogram will bisect the entire parallelogram into two equal triangles. That means if I apply area is square root of S into 45 into 45 minus 20 is 25, 45 minus 30 is 15, 45 minus 40 is 5. Further, if I simplify, this is nothing but area of triangle ABC, sir. Right? Area of triangle ABC. Finally, you will get it as 75 root 15. But this ADC triangle is also having the same area as that of ABC. So, total area of parallelogram is 75 root 15 added with the same area of 75 root 15. So it is 75 plus 75. It is 150 root 15 centimeter square, which is nothing but option D. I hope you should definitely not feel any discomfort in solving this varieties of questions. Quickly tell me the answer for this question, sir. Quickly. A parallelogram has sides 15 centimeter and 7 centimeter long. That means one side is 15, other side is 7. Length of one of the diagonal is 20. Area of the parallelogram I require. That means it is semi-perimeter is 20 plus 15, 35 plus 2, 7 is 42, half is 21. If I name this parallelogram as ABCD, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is, it will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under the square root. When I simplify it, I will get 42. I will not be solving once again, sir, just for your understanding, to tell that the same variety has come in the examination 3 times. So if I want to find the area of the entire parallelogram, so it is ABCD entire thing. So it is 42 into 2 or 42 plus 42. Answer is 84. I believe that the last 3 questions are very clear for you. Now please see this next question, sir. Very, very beautiful question. The question which had come in one of the toughest examination, CAT examination in the year 2006. It has come in the year 2006. Now see here. Euclid has a triangle in his mind. There is some kind of triangle what Euclid is having in his mind. What are the properties of the triangle? Its longest side has 20 meters length and another of its side has length 10 meters. Its area is 80 meters square. What is the exact length of its third side? That means, let us write it like this. Area of the triangle is given as 80 meters square. One of the side is 20, another side is 10. What is the third side is the question. That means this is my triangle ABC. One of the side is 20, one of the side is 20. I will call it as ABC. Another side is 10, another side is 10. This value is what they are asking. C value, another side value is what they are asking. Now see here, sir. First of all, if I use Heron's formula, semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. A value is 20, B value is 10. 30 plus C value I don't know. Let me call it as X. So 30 plus X by 2. 30 by 2 is 15, 15 plus X by 2. That means I know the semi-perimeter, but in terms of X, which is actually unknown for us, and I know the sides, two sides, another side C value is what I called it as X. If I apply the area of triangle is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This will eventually become for me as square root of, okay, square root of S value is how much? It is 15 plus X by 2. 15 plus X by 2. It is S is 15 plus X by 2 minus A value is how much, sir? 20. A value is 20. Again S is 15 plus X by 2. B value is 10. Again S is 15 plus X by 2. 15 plus X by 2. C value is X minus X. Area is given in the question as 80. Now it is very complicated on the right hand side because fractions are there, and also another thing is square root is involved. So I will square it on both sides. Left hand side becomes 80 square, right hand side becomes square root of square. It will cancel off. So you are left with 15 plus X by 2 and then 15 plus X by 2 minus 20. This will become, how much it will become, sir? 15 minus 20 is minus 5, right? It is minus 5. It is X by 2 minus 5. 15 minus 10 is 5. It is X by 2 plus 5. And the last thing is 15 plus X by 2 minus X. It is 15 minus X by 2. If I take LCM and simplify, finally it becomes 80 square is, 80 square is, this becomes, after taking LCM I am writing directly, sir, 30 square minus X square divided by 2 square into X square minus 10 square divided by 2 square. Sir, how did I get this? Simplify, you will get it, sir. These simplifications, all those things we have studied in school days. So this 2 square into 2 square cross multiply to the left hand side. This becomes 80 square into 2 square into 2 square. Right hand side is 30 square minus X square into X square minus 10 square. When I simplify that, 30 square minus X square is 900 minus X square into X square minus 10 square is 100. Sir, it is becoming very lengthy, right, sir? Because X square into X square becomes X power 4. It becomes a biquadratic equations. Are we making too much difficult to solve in this question? Yes, we are making it too much difficult. If you continue further making it as biquadratic equation, this is where your skill set will come into picture. Instead of making such complications, X is what I am looking for. That is nothing but my answer options. Substitute the answer options and simplify. You will get it in the most easiest way possible. That means, can I say that, suppose I substituted X value as root 250. X square becomes 250. Here also X square becomes 250. This is 900 minus 250 into 250 minus 100. If I assume option B I am talking about, sir, check it out. 900 minus 250 is 650. It is 650. 250 minus 100 is 150. Left hand side is 80 square is 8 into 10 whole square. So it is 8 square into 10 square is 100 into 2 square into 2 square. These two zeros will cancel with two zeros. Common sense should say us that 8 square into 2 square into 2 square is an even number. 65 into 15 is an odd number. Can an even number become equal to odd number? No. Option B is ruled out. Like that, you can also check for the third option. Third option, x value is the root of 240. X square value will be 240. X square will be 240. Substitute 900 minus 240 is, it is 660. Right hand side is x square is 240 minus 100 is, it is 140. Left hand side what I have is 8 square into 100 into 2 square into 2 square. These two zeros will cancel, and check it out if you want. This is where all your skill set expertise will come into picture of simplification. 8 square is 64 ending with 4. 2 square is 4 ending with 4. 4 square is 4 ending with 4. 4 into 4 16 ending with 6. 6 into 4 is 24 ending with 4. Unit digit on the left hand side is 4. 6 into 4 is 24 ending with 4. Unit digit on the right hand side is also ending with 4. This may be the probable answer as per the unit digit, but as per the unit digit it is a probable answer. But if you apply digital sum and check it out, definitely this will not be the answer. If you apply digital sum and check it out, it will not be the answer. Ruled out. Similarly, you can also eliminate option D also by digital sum concept. So only option which will be left out is, answer for this question is, it is root of 260, which is nothing but my option A. Sir, but it is a very lengthy method, sir. Definitely yes. That is the reason I will call it as my method 1, right, sir? Are we interested in learning these lengthy methods? Definitely no. First of all, x value is taken, x by 2, it is becoming fraction. So much of simplification. If you do not get that mindset, or if it is not coming to your mind that answer options I need to check, you will make it even more difficult by taking quadratic, and into quadratic it become biquadratic. Oh my god, so much tedious, sir. Let us not use that kind of methods. Let us use a simple way of understanding. This is where you need to know Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplets. What is given, sir? Area is given as 80 centimeter square. One of the side is given as how much? 20. Another side is given as 10. I need to find the third side. Now see here. If I draw this triangle, triangle ABC, area is known as 80. One of the side is given as 20. Another side is given as 10. I need to find the third side. Now this is what is given. You found out the third side as square root of 260 by too much complications by using Heron's formula. Yes, that will give you the answer, but not in less time. That is where you need to learn the concept again. If I draw a perpendicular, this will be the height, right? This will be the height. This angle is 90. This angle also will be 90. First of all, can I say this is 20. This another side is 10. Side of third side is also not equal to 20 and 10, because the 20 and 10 is not there in the answer options. So ABC is a scaling triangle. In a scaling triangle, you applied Heron's formula by using method 1 and solved it. Beautiful. You got the answer. Beautiful, but not in less time. That is not beautiful. But can I say that this AD, whatever I have drawn right now, this AD is a perpendicular bisector. It is a perpendicular. I am drawing a perpendicular. That does not mean that it is dividing BC into two equal parts. If it is an isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side will divide, and that becomes the median. It will divide into two equal parts. But it's a scaling triangle. That means BD and DC, they both will be different, right? They both will be different. First of all, let me find out what is height value. What is h value? Think little logically, sir. Area of triangle is also equal to half into base into height. Area of triangle is 80. This is half into base value. I don't, okay, base value I know it as 20. Sorry, base value is 20. Height is h. So this is 20 into 4 is 80. 2 multiplied with 4 is 8. Height is 8 centimeters or 8 meters, whatever it is. Height is 8. Can I say that height is known to me as 8? This particular value is 8. This particular height is 8. And this value is 10. And it's a right angled triangle. Which Pythagorean triplets will satisfy 8 and 10? The other value should be 6 only, right? Because 6, 8, 10, it form a Pythagorean triplet. That means DC value is 6. BC totally is 20. Out of total 20, DC is 6. That means BD should be remaining 14. That means this value, again it's a right angle triangle. This value C is nothing but square root of 14 square plus 8 square. Pythagoras theorem. 14 square is 196 plus 64. Final answer is square root of 260. How beautifully you can solve it, sir. See the first method what I solved, so many things written in a sheet of paper and so many complications solving by answer options also. See the second method, how beautiful it is. I found out the height of this triangle as 8 centimeters. Yes, that is the height, and the other side is known to me as 10. And I know that it is a perpendicular bisector, so it should be 90 degrees. That means the third side here should be 6 only, because Pythagoras theorem is applicable for a right angle triangle and 6, 8, 10 form Pythagorean triplets. If this is 6, total is 20. Out of total 20, if this is 6, this should be remaining 14. Now 14 is known, 8 is known to you. The other side hypotenuse is what you are finding. It is 14 square plus 8 square under the square root. 196 plus 64. Answer is 196 plus 64 is 260 under the square root. How easily you are getting the answer? This is exactly what A and C will teach you. A and C will teach you only the shortcuts, not by using traditional methodologies. I believe that every student who is watching the video will be able to tell my statement as true, because you might have experienced this statement being true in so many topics whatever we have taken. I hope the idea is very clear for you people, sir.